This here is the Realme GT7, their latest beast in the GT series, and Realme is going straight for the performance crown with their latest launch. It officially drops on May 27, but I have already spent some time with it and there's a lot to talk about. But before I jump into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell icon. Let's start with the design. The GT7 has a plastic frame and back infused with fiberglass, scream premium but feels rock solid. It's built like a tank and comes with an IP69 rating, so it can handle everything from accidental dunks into a pool to high pressure water jets. The variant I have got is the IceSense Blue, which looks very minimal, almost basic. But Realme has added these subtle red accents on the power button and the camera island that give it some personality. The matte-ish finish is also great at hiding fingerprints and smudges. Interestingly, Realme says the rear panel helps cool the phone by pulling heat away from the processor. I'll get into that a little bit more, but later. Realme is calling the GT7 a performance beast, and to be fair, it's got the chops to back that up. At the back, you have this squarish camera island which houses 3 cameras. Realme claims it scores over 2.5 million on AnTuTu, but in our tests, the number was closer to 2.1 million. It's still super impressive though, just not quite as high as they promised. The GT7 is powered by the MediaTek's new Dimensity 9400E chipset, a slightly trimmed down version of the flagship Dimensity 9400. It has been paired with the LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, so app launches are buttery smooth and multitasking doesn't even make the phone flinch. We also get a solid gaming experience. We got 120 FPS in BGMI and ultra frame rates in Call of Duty Mobile. The gameplay is fluid, the thermals stay well under control, and the phone doesn't throttle even after long sessions. That's mostly thanks to this new IceSense Graphene cooling tech that Realme is trying out. Apparently, the back panel doubles as a cooling system, and it seems to work. Temperatures stayed pretty manageable even when I was pushing the phone hard. Performance-wise, the GT7 absolutely delivers. Now, one of the biggest highlights of the Realme GT7 has to be its battery. Realme has somehow packed a massive 7000 mAh battery into this slim and lightweight body. As a result, the battery life on this thing is absolutely wild. I have only had to charge it twice in 5 days, and mind you, that was with regular benchmarking tests, gaming sessions and a whole lot of screen time. In regular day-to-day use, you can easily stretch the GT7 to 2 full days and maybe even more. And when you finally need to top up, you get a 120 watt charger right in the box. It takes the phone from dead to 100% in just 45 minutes, which is insane for something with this much juice. So yeah, the GT7 is shaping up to be a serious all-rounder. Great battery, killer performance and a solid design. Now, we don't know the official price yet. Realme is revealing that on May 27, but if their GT6 pricing is anything to go by, we're expecting it to launch around 40,000 rupees to 45,000 rupees. With bank and launch offers, you might even snag it closer to 35,000 rupees to 40,000 rupees. And that price, this thing's an absolute steal. Do let us know in the comments if you want a full deep dive review of Realme GT7. We are more than happy to make that happen. Until then, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.